Hello, this is Corey Adams, and really the purpose of this video is to give you a little bit of a comparison between the Gator Back Mortar Board here that Marshalltown now makes, and this pretty new on the market, EZG Manufacturing Hog Board. They've just come out with these. I've had this one about a year. Full disclosure, we are not everyday masons. We do a lot of restoration work, tenant upfit stuff. We're not really abusing our boards a lot. But here, this is the Gator Back board, and then we've got the Hog Board. So I've had this one about a year. This one I've got about a week ago, but I used it specifically on this job to see if, how it compared and how I liked it. Functionally, they are the same size. They take up the same footprint, so we won't have to worry about that. The one thing actually I preferred the Easy Grout Hog Board this week for a couple different reasons. One, the Gator Back has this kind of four-way taper into the center of the board, where this one is more flat and traditional, and only the edges taper up just a little bit. This gives us more of a feel of a traditional plywood mortar board or something of that nature. The second thing that I think is a great function on this is this angle here where the handle lies. And that's when it's laying somewhere, you can get your hand around that handle. If you go back to the Gator Back, it's kind of got this flat, thick spot here. There's no real angle there. So to get a hold of the handle, if it's not laid right, it's kind of in the way. But those are really the differences I see in them. They functionally weigh the same. They functionally are the same footprint, but I do like the actual feel of the Hog Board from EZG Manufacturing way better. So I hope this helps. I hope it was a little bit of information. So hopefully you could make the best decision possible if you're considering these two boards, which one you want, and hopefully that helps. I appreciate it. Thanks.